Good morning. We are here for a membership.
Yes, I want to join the gym today.
Welcome. My name is Jenna. How can I help you?
Hi, Jenna. I want to start working out.
That's wonderful. Do you want a monthly plan or a day pass?
What is the difference?
A day pass is for one visit. A monthly plan is for the whole month. How much is the day pass? The day pass is $10.
And the monthly plan?
The monthly plan is $35.
That sounds like a good price.
I think so too. I want the monthly plan.
Great choice. You can cancel anytime.
Oh, that's good to know.
I just need you to sign this waiver.
A waiver? What is that?
It's a paper that says you understand the gym rules.
I understand. Where do I sign?
Right here, at the bottom.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Here is your gym card.
Can I ask something too?
Of course.
Does the monthly plan include the locker room?
Yes, lockers are free for all members.
That's helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have a lock for your locker?
No, I don't have one. We sell locks here for $5. I'll take one, please. Here you go, $5. Here is my card. Thank you. You're all set. One more thing. What time do you usually like to come? I think mornings are best for me. Good. We open at 6 in the morning. Oh, that's early. And we close at 10 at night. That's a long day.
You could come after work too.
That's true. I'll try mornings first.
We also have group classes, yoga, dance, and boxing.
Wow, boxing? Really?
Yes, it's very popular on Saturdays.
Maybe I will try that one day.
You can check the schedule on the wall.
We'll take a look before we leave.
Sounds good. Enjoy your first day.
Thank you so much.
Ready to see the gym?
Yes, I'm excited. Have a great workout. Thank you, Jenna.
Let's go to the locker room first.
Okay, let's go.
Here are the lockers. Let's find 2 empty ones.
This one is open, number 12.
I'll take the one next to you, number 13.
Good. We can talk while we change.
Are you feeling okay? You look a little quiet.
Honestly, I feel a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
I've never been to a gym before.
Oh, I understand. Everyone feels that way at first.
Really? Even you?
Yes, my first day was scary too.
What made you feel better?
I remembered why I started.
What was your reason?
My father always told me health comes first.
That's a nice memory.
He used to walk every morning, even in winter.
That's dedication.
He passed away 3 years ago, but I still walk because of him.
I'm sorry, Max. That must be hard.
It's okay. It makes me feel close to him.
That's beautiful. Thank you for sharing that.
So why do you want to start today?
I want to feel stronger and more confident.
That's a wonderful goal.
I hope I can stick with it.
You will. I'll help you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Let's put our bags in the lockers.
Okay, I'll lock mine with the new lock.
Good idea. Don't forget the code.
I won't forget. I chose an easy number.
Smart. Easy to remember.
Should I change my shoes here?
Yes, wear your sneakers for the gym floor.
Okay, I'm changing now.
Take your time.
All done. How do I look?
You look ready.
I feel a little more ready now, too.
Do you have water with you?
No, I forgot my water bottle.
No problem. There's a water fountain by the gym floor.
That's good. I don't want to get thirsty.
Staying hydrated is very important when you exercise.
I'll remember that.
Do you want music while we work out?
Yes, I love listening to music.
Me too. It helps the time pass quickly.
What kind of music do you like?
Something upbeat with a fast rhythm.
I like that too.
Wait, do I need a towel?
Yes, towels are over there, near the door.
Oh, I see them. I'll grab one.
Perfect. Now we're ready.
Let's go.
Hi there. You must be new. I'm Derek, one of the trainers.
Hi, Derek. Yes, this is my first day.
Welcome. Do you want a quick tour?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Great. Let's start with the treadmills.
What is a treadmill exactly?
It's a machine for walking or running in one place.
Oh, I see. Like walking without going anywhere.
Exactly. You can also change the speed.
I like using the treadmill for a warm-up.
What is a warm-up?
It means light exercise before the real workout.
Why do we need that?
It helps your muscles get ready and prevents injury.
That makes sense.
After the treadmill, we usually do some weights.
Weights? Are those heavy?
Not always. We start light for beginners.
That's good. I'm not very strong yet.
Don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere.
Thank you. That helps me feel better.
Let's talk about reps and sets.
What do those words mean?
A rep is one movement, like one push-up.
And a set?
A set is a group of reps, like 10 push-ups together.
Oh, now I understand.
For beginners, I suggest 3 sets of 10 reps.
Okay, I'll try that.
Let's start with the treadmill for 5 minutes.
Sounds good. How do I turn it on?
Press the green button right here.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now walk at your own pace.
This feels nice, actually.
See? Not so scary.
You're right. I was worried for nothing.
After this, we'll try some light weights.
I'm looking forward to it.
Do you want a personal trainer session sometime?
How much does that cost?
A 1-hour session is $25.
That's not bad. Can I book one for next week?
Of course. I'll write your name down.
Thank you, Derek.
My pleasure. Let's finish the treadmill first.
5 minutes left. You're doing great.
Thanks, Max. This is going better than I thought.
After the treadmill, cool down for 1 minute.
What is a cool down?
It means slowing down before you stop completely.
Oh, like the opposite of a warm-up.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
I like learning new things.
Let's try some light dumbbells now.
Okay, which one should I use?
Start with the small ones, like these.
How much do they weigh?
These are 5 pounds each.
That feels okay for now.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome. I'm Emma. I come here every morning.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
The people here are very friendly.
That's good to know.
What are you working on today?
Just some light weights and the treadmill.
That's a great start.
Emma comes to the boxing class too.
Oh, really? Is it hard?
It's hard, but really fun.
Maybe I'll try it someday.
You should. It's every Saturday morning.
I'll think about it.
Well, I need to finish my workout. Good luck today.
Thank you, Emma. Nice meeting you.
You too. See you around.
She's really nice.
Yes, everyone here seems friendly.
Let's do 3 sets of 10 reps, like Derek said.
Okay, I'll count for myself.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
This is harder than it looks.
You're doing well. Keep your back straight.
Like this?
Yes, perfect form.
My arms feel tired already.
That means it's working.
I hope so.
Take a short rest, then we'll do the second set.
Okay, I need 30 seconds.
No problem. Take your time.
Ready. Let's continue.
Great. Second set. Here we go.
My arms are shaking a little.
That's normal for a first day.
Okay, good to know.
1 more set and we're finished with weights.
I can do it.
That's the spirit.
Done! I did all 3 sets.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Max. I feel strong.
You should. That was a great first workout.
What should we do next?
Let's stretch a little, then head to the front desk.
Sounds like a good plan.
How was your first workout?
It was great, actually.
I'm so glad to hear that.
She did really well today.
I was nervous at first.
That's completely normal.
But now I feel proud of myself. You should be proud. Starting is the hardest part. That's true. See you tomorrow morning? Yes, I'll be here. Great. Have a good rest of your day.
Thanks, Jenna.
You're welcome. Bye for now.
That was such a good day.
I agree. You worked really hard.
I learned so many new words today.
Like what?
Treadmill, warm-up, cool-down, reps, and sets.
And don't forget waiver and locker.
Right. So many new words.
You'll remember them all with practice.
I hope so.
How do you feel about coming back tomorrow?
Honestly, I'm excited now.
That's amazing progress from this morning.
I was so nervous before we started.
And look at you now.
I even want to try the boxing class.
With Emma? That would be fun.
Maybe next Saturday.
I'll come with you.
I would like that.
I'm proud of you for trying something new.
Thank you, Max. I couldn't have done it without you.
You did it yourself. I just walked beside you.
That means a lot to me.
Don't forget your gym bag.
Oh, I almost forgot it.
I've got it right here.
Thank you. I'm a little tired now.
A good tired, though.
Yes, a good tired.
So, same time tomorrow?
Yes, same time tomorrow.
Perfect. See you at the gym.
See you tomorrow, Max.